Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Merry Christmas, compliment of the season, and Happy New Year. Now, in this video, I'm going to enlighten you on how to create a free WordPress hosting. So, there are so many plans, there are so many hosting and domain platforms like GoDaddy. We have SiteGround, likewise. Then we have Namecheap. So each and every one of them plays a token on their prices of their hosting and domain. Like for example, GoDaddy they place like 3.99 per month per pounds as per month. Then also the startup plan for SiteGround likewise is 2.99. Then let's go into Namecheap likewise. Namecheap also plays a token on their hosting. But you, as a beginner, as a website developer, or you want to create your website, your personal website for your business, and you don't want to spend much money. So I have a platform I've discovered and it has worked very well for me. The platform is called Pantheon.io. Pantheon.io. So it says that launch WordPress and Drupal website up to 2 times faster. So you can create your personal business website with this, or you are just practicing, or you are a beginner learning how to create a WordPress website. So for you to do that, you sign up on their platform. Now you sign up on their platform. You can sign up with your email address if you have your Google account. With your Google account, if it is here already, for like mine is here already, Google account, or you can just sign up with your email, your first name, input your first name, your last name, then with your email address, password, then your country, then you create account. But for me, I have an account which has been created already, so I'll just log in. And show you the interface on how to create a free WordPress website hosting and domain without you paying for a web developer or a website designer. So I'll continue with Google here. Continue with Google. Now it's loading. Then yes, this is where we get to. This is our dashboard. On where to create your website. So this is personal workspace, home, then site, then theme, then autopilot. So if you want to create a free website, you come here, you come to this site, you click the site. Once you click on it, you press create a free site. It's loading. Then you can see here WordPress Drupal front end site, then custom ops thread. Now we said we are going with WordPress, so you click on WordPress. Then it's loading. Then you write a name that I want to name for your business, or you are just practicing. Then I'm using Richard. So the URL is shown here. Then you choose your country. You're choosing United States. Then you press continue. Oh, let's change it to another one. They said it's already exists, so I've changed it to another one, another name entirely. Yes, so it's already deploying. It's deploying the CMS. It's loading. Yes, now we are done. It's complete. It's completed. So you press visit your Pantheon site dashboard. WordPress is deployed already. Now you come here, you come to site admin. We are going to the WordPress dashboard. Then you press, you click on English United States. Then you take your site title, maybe recharge. Maybe it is recharge. Then your username, recharge 001. Then your password in which you want. Then you press your email, input your email address, recharge Smith. Then you input your email address. Then the next thing, you press install WordPress. So the username, then the password is chosen. So I'm logging in now. I'll log in now. So I've saved my password on Google already. So I'll press login. So wait for it to be deployed. Then we are going to the WordPress dashboard. Now, wow, we are on WordPress dashboard. So you can create your you can create your website on WordPress now. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set it up, to install plugins, and any other thing that is required of you to create an advanced and professional website. So thank you for sticking to this video and staying to the end of this video. Kindly subscribe, like, share this video for me to create more content and every other thing. Goodbye once again. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Peace out.